What? You want to say hey to everybody again? My goodness, you're getting to where you like to say hey to everybody. My goodness. But anyhow, Cooper and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. So glad each and every one of you could make it. Today's video is something that's in this envelope right here and has to do with one of those cars out there. So let's get out there and I'll tell you exactly what's going on and show you what's in here. The American automobile, such a wonderful invention and such a beautiful work of art. Yes, no matter what automobiles your taste, whether it's trucks, Jeeps, Ford, Chevy, Dodge, it doesn't matter. Beautiful works of art and amazing inventions. Now for some people, they are to get you from point A to point B. Some people, which would include myself, like to put a little bit more personalization into that. Now about now you're wondering what this has to do with anything. Well, it's about two things. Like I said, what's in this envelope and burning bridges. So let's get out here and I'll explain exactly what's going on. Now, one thing that you do not want to do when you go anywhere or talk to anybody is burn a bridge. What do I mean by that? Well, let's just use the automotive industry like I was talking about. For instance, you go somewhere, the person behind the counter is impolite, doesn't want to do you any favors or whatever, so you make a smart remark like, well, screw you, I'm never coming here again, you smart, you know. That's burning a bridge. If you ever go back there again and ask for some assistance, like, you know, I know somebody that can't lift the hood on their car because of their age, so they go to these places like AutoZone, Advance Auto and stuff like that, and the great people in there will check the oil for them or whatever they need, you know. Change the wipers, which is part of the job, but checking oil and stuff like that isn't. They don't have to do that, but they more than politely do. Well, if that person would go in there and, you know, raise Cain and show their butt and everything, the people in these such stores would not want to deal with them. Now, why am I bringing this up, you may be asking? Well, here you go. I'm going to show you right now. This pack has something to do with that car. And I'm going to show you here in just a second. Let me give you the story. Like I said, the automotive car, right? Great invention. The wheels that came on it look perfectly fine, but I wanted to make it a little bit more mine, so I bought these tires and wheels to put on it, okay? These are what's called Z06 replica wheels. They come on a Z06 Corvette. So I wanted them, I liked them, I liked the way they looked and everything, and I think they absolutely make it look good. I mean, they just pop, especially when they're clean. Now with all that said, the company that I bought them from is called OE Wheels. And I'll put the link and everything and a picture of their website and everything in it. You know how I do my videos, so you'll know everything. Well, here's what happened. If we come right here and look, do you see anything wrong with this picture? I'll give you a second. Do you see anything wrong? What happened there, you may be asking? And what's this whole point of this story? I know. Somehow, I don't know if I didn't tighten it. I don't know if somebody decided they needed one. Whatever. But that lug nut is gone. It's gone. So what did I do? I called up OE Wheels, the people I bought the lug nuts and the wheels from, explained what happened, and the guy that I talked to said that I was going to have to buy a complete set. In other words, not 5, not 10, 20 lug nuts to replace the one. Well, at this time I was like, how much is it? $35, I think is what it was. I'm immediately thinking, there's no way in heck I'm paying $35 for one lug nut. Yes, I could have sold the rest of them on eBay. I know, I could have sold the rest of them on eBay. But the point and moral of the story is, I said, let me think about it. I'll have to get back with you if I decide to, and I left it at that. I was okay with buying 5. That's what I had intended on going in doing, buying 5. But 20? There was no way in heck I was going to buy 20. Like I said, there was no way I was going to buy 20. I just couldn't do it. So I got to thinking, well, you know, I can buy some locking lug nuts, but I don't like that because you always got to look for the key. So I said, well, heck with it. I didn't say anything wrong to the guy. I just said thank you for your help and everything. I'll have to think about it. So I posted a message on their Facebook page, and I'll post the original right here so you can see it. I didn't say anything wrong. I didn't burn that bridge. I just politely said, here's what's going on. This is, you know, my experience. And that was it. I didn't expect anything to come out of it. Then I got a message from one of the people at OE Wheels. They said, give me a call. This is my extension number, and let me see if I can help you. So I called them, worked out the story with them, told them exactly what happened, and they said, well, I know I shouldn't probably be telling all the details, but I'm going to go ahead and do it to show you how they treated me. They said, well, we normally don't sell just one lug nut. And like I explained to her, I understand that. I wasn't going to buy just one. I was okay with buying 5, which is one wheel. I mean, that's how they sell lug nuts at all these stores, you know, 5 to, you know, or however many it comes to your car. Most instances you have to buy 5. They're already pre-packaged, and I understand that, but this particular company, their lug nuts are not pre-packaged. They are in boxes, because whenever I got my tires, I got my wheels and my lug nuts, they were all loose in a UPS envelope, just rolled up nice and neat and taped where they wouldn't vibrate and move around. You know, great service, great packaging and shipping, had no problem. Anyhow, long story short, I talked with her and she said, well, if you're willing to pay shipping, I will send you out 1 lug nut. Now I was kind of taken aback at that point, because I was all set for her to say, well, okay, we'll sell you the 5. No big deal, you know, $2, $3 for shipping, sure. No hesitation, sure, I'll do that. And you know, she got to talking to me and everything, and can you verify your address? Yeah, I verified my address, and she looked at the account where I bought the wheels and everything. She said, you know what, don't worry about it, I'm just going to go ahead and send you one. I didn't ask her to send me one. I was okay with buying the 5, like I said, but OE Wheels went above and beyond my issue. I mean, this wasn't their issue. They didn't cause the lug nut to come off. Did I cause it to come off? It's possible that I forgot to tighten it up when I did the brake job or whatever. Or like I said, somebody decided they wanted one. I don't know. I am very meticulous about tightening my lug nuts. I always torque them down. But does that mean that there's no way that I missed one? No. That doesn't mean that at all. I'm human. I can make mistakes. But OE Wheels went above and beyond what they needed to do, or what they even had to do. They were not responsible for my stupidity, but they took care of me. They took care of me as a customer. And because they took care of me as a customer, when it comes time to buy wheels for that car, or, let me turn around this way, for that car, where now do you think I will be looking for wheels? You guessed it, OE Wheels. And like again, I say it's not, they had no dog in this fight. They could have just said, well, there's nothing we could do to help you. And that would have been that. And I would have been a little upset, but I can't be mad at them. They didn't lose my lug nut, I lost it. So let's get this lug nut put on, I'll show you the difference. All right, here's the pack. See if I can get it out one-handed. There it is, 1 lug nut. That was super nice of them. Thank you, OE Wheels. Was this a big issue? No, I could have left it like that. It's not a safety issue. But me being a car guy, me being a detail guy, that would have drove me crazy. So let's get it on here. I've already got my wrench out, got it set to 110 pounds. It calls for 104 to 110, so I always put it on 110. Got my non-mooring socket here, okay, non-mooring core sleeve, and it is a 19, and I got me an extension. So let's get her put on. There you go. Look at that. That looks so much better. Oh yes. Now, was that a major deal? Like I said, no. No, it wasn't a major deal. It wasn't. But it's one of those deals that would have drove me bonkers, because I take pride in my cars. I take pride in how they look and everything. And you know, there's a lot of work and a lot of time and a lot of money that goes into owning these things and taking care of them. So I like to keep them, you know, the best I can. That's why that black one's a 93 and it looks the way it does. That one's a 2012. It's going to continue looking the way it does. And this one is a 2000, what year is it? 2007. And that's why it looks the way it does, and it's going to continue. Now right now it's dirty, but this is our daily driver, so what do you expect? Plus we've had tornadoes, a couple weeks worth of rain, and now they're calling for snow. Yay!
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
But again, OE Wheels, thank you so very much. You guys did not have to take care of me like that. You didn't have to do anything. And I didn't burn that bridge, so that left the door open for a long-lasting relationship. Like I said, that's going to need wheels, and this is going to need wheels. So you know where I'm going to be looking. And I suggest each and every one of you look there also, because they've been nothing but nice to me. And I'll put the name of the lady that took care of me in the bottom down here, so you can see who took care of me there and what a great person she was by doing so. And we'll see you in the next one. It's 29 degrees, but I'm enjoying my cars. So you know the moral of the story, get out there and enjoy yours. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.